Introducing Tuscan tender leaves from Church Brothers Farms, a unique blend of European-style leafy-green lettuces including oaks, tangos, and lola rossas. Tuscan tender leaves was selected from the very best varieties based on shape, color, and taste after extensive reviews and seed trials. They outperform traditional spring mix in portion yield, shelf life, and texture. And the flavor is sweeter than traditional spring mix because no bitter varieties are added. These varieties are grown directly from seed and take 45 to 65 days to grow, depending on time of year and weather influences. Each variety is grown and harvested separately year-round. Harvesting requires minimal human labor with a self-propelled automated machine. Every individual leaf is harvested with an adjustable bandsaw blade positioned close to the ground, which cuts the leaves using a lawnmower-like action. The leaves are then put into totes and taken directly to our facility to be blended together, triple washed, packed, and shipped to their final destination. The perfect color recipe for this innovative blend is 60% green lettuces and 40% red lettuces. Compared to traditional spring mix, the higher loft of Tuscan tender leaves generate more servings per pound and give any salad application a fuller plate appearance. These new leaves also look similar to the unprocessed varieties found at local farmers markets. With their sweet flavor and crunch, the forkability of this full-bodied blend is unmatched. Maximize your freight and load Tuscan tender leaves with the large array of other food service items Church Brothers Farms has to offer, all in one stop.